This morning I went for a short, which soon became long hill walk. I didn't talk. I went through the walking motions, moving my legs felt like moving oceans. Thoughts rushed into my mind, like a dam bursting to unwind. It took me a while to dry one out, pegging a soulful question about, do my wellies have a soul? I mean, they have a soul. Soul or soul, it was daydreaming, that's all. At cloud level, I refocused my eyes. Tears reflected a river of silent cries. My ears concurred its musical flow. My dog's eyes and ears made that 2 in a row. I meandered along, thoughts seeking hope. When will my dad die? How will I cope? How have people before me managed? I send my love and pray they're undamaged. The glare of the sun pulled me along, or was it Bella with her playful yawn? She has a soul, such a beautiful one, as she squatted and peed under the sun. I echoed the wind as I cleared my throat, feeling body heat growing under my coat. The warmth echoed the autumn brown. As the view floated up, I floated down. My arms and legs flickered like buzzing bees as I walked among the tall, staring trees. I thought I saw a white animal run as I focused on moss hugging the sun. Leaving my body, I merged with the scene. Sunlit moss, warmth, dry leaves, 'twas serene. My soul bathed for moments, thinking of life. The sheen of the moss took away my strife. Then in a blink, I was back at home, connected to the internet via my phone. In every thought and every action, love teases me with nature's attraction.